Well, hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you guys how I made this rose gold cupcake stand. We got all the items from the Dollar Tree, so it was super inexpensive. So if you guys want to see how I made it, just keep watching. Okay, so some of the items you're going to need are a glue gun, glue sticks. I got 2 of these little serving trays from Dollar Tree, a smaller plate. You're going to need some spray paint, the Mardi Gras beads, some glue, and then these little candle holders. And the first thing you're going to want to do is cut the beads just so that they're in a straight line. And then next you're going to want to apply the glue to the candle holder, and I flipped it upside down because I wanted like the big base part on the top. And this glue takes quite a while to dry, so after I did this I did go back with my hot glue gun to just get it to stick in place quicker. And now I'm doing the same thing. I'm just gluing the candlestick holder to the top plate and going back with some glue gun, with some hot glue gun, just to get it to stick quicker. And now I'm just draping those beads around the bottom of the plate, and I'm just putting a dot of glue gun. And then once I do that, I'm going to go back with the other glue and put like a little dot on there as well. So once that dries, it should hold really, really well. So I did let the glue set on here for, I would say, about an hour, and now that it feels pretty sturdy, I'm going to go through and drape the beads on these as well. And I'm just doing the top layer on this one because it's just going to be on the very top and then the middle. You don't want to put it at the bottom. And then when that's all done, you're going to want to go ahead and attach the top part. So I'm just going to take my glue again and put it at the bottom of the candlestick holder and then just put it on there. And then I did go back with some more hot glue gun just to get it held in place quickly. And now it's time to go spray paint. So I am using the Rust-Oleum spray paint in the color rose gold, and I got this from Walmart, and I'm just trying to get it all over everything. It was kind of hard to get like the back of the beads, but I did my best and I think it turned out pretty darn good. But yeah, I just did one coat and just made sure I got the whole entire thing spray painted.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any other DIYs, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!